देवस्थान मिटींग रडला आणि पंचायती मिटींग रडोन ठराव घेतलो ही सगळी शॉपां काड्यान फाटल्यान घाले म्हण पार्किंगेक कोणी सिरियसमेंट घेवंक ना हे आज स मेले ते न्हू 100 लोक मारपाचे पुलिसांनी हाडयले तांकां हांवें पळयला व्हिडिओ पुलिसांनी काडून घेतले दोणांनी काडून घेतले 100 लोक मरपाचो आसलो आनी हांव हॉस्पिटलान गेल्लो आतां आजिलो हॉस्पिटलान गेल्लो थंय सांगून दिला हांव एम्बुलन्साक फुडल्या वर्साक हे जर अशें जर चलत रावले फुडल्या वर्साक मोडी 100 मोडी व्हरपाक या म्हण एम्बुलन्स घेवन शिरगांव आनी एक कामाक सर फुडल्या वर्साक आयज सर आयज फुडल्या वर्साक दोणांकूच शिरगांव 24 वरां दोणांकूच एंट्री शिरगांव धांवन बाकीच्या लोकांक एंट्री ना जात्रेक बाकीच्या लोकांक 4 दीस एंट्री फुडली 24 वरां फकत दोणांक हे इम्प्लिमेंट जावपाक जाय आनी शॉपां सगळीं पार्किंगेक एक शॉप नाका हे मागीर दोनूच इम्प्लिमेंट केले न्हू एक गर्दी एक लोकांचो एक केस तुटचो ना जात्रेक उलयलो
last day sort जाता what you will do you need to have a plan what way you are feeling what is your entry exit what is whether you have done it drill you are saying you have done but whether there was coordination with the police whether there was coordination with the health authority ropes what is the fact this has to be brought out. It is absolutely very clear you are not following that disaster management act 2005. There's got 30,000 people. This all the measures you need to do. Crowd management, people at play. Cameras you are utilizing their cameras. Why you all didn't put surveillance cameras on the entire?
I ask another question. Just one question I want to ask. तुम्ही सांगला एका last year incident झालं ते wall किती घायला not घायला मधुरी घायला. So and he subdued this म्हणला. किती subdued this कोणापर्यंत subdued this? And state has not been vacated. Permission is there from the panchayat for building.
No, nothing is there.
How stay is done?
Without permission, they have protected that because and in spite of the notified panchayat, they have put video.
After this incident, did you all go to the High Court to say this is the thing and matters pending before Director Panchayat?
And they are not filing in case. I told them that.
No, forget it. Even a citizen can go. Mockery decision. So you have already had this and that was one of the causes, not removed.
Now they must check for property. You all also don't have.
See, you all come now. I'm not blaming you for this, but what I'm saying, this is a system which must be in place. It must work with clockwork precision. Even PIS come now new. Correct, Nick? You can ajandala.
What 10 point card to?
How no सगळे चोयता नी notification post करताना.
representing you are an SDM full level जात्रा आहे ही पूर्ण नाव SDM आहे तो आमचा म्हणून आपल्याला रिकॉर्ड ना
Sir, they are just
देवस्थानाच्या कॅमेराच्या कसं रिलाय होता स्वतःचे तुम्ही कॅमेरे सर्व्हिलन्स तुम्ही काय देणार नाही का रिपोर्टर झाला देवस्थान कॅमेरा म्हणजे नोकरी मरी
After DVR can समज गेलो I want you
then you will leave the देवस्थान if you think that तुमचे सर्व्हिलन्स